For example 4, we're going to fit model to data again. Fit a model to data. This time I want you to notice after I type in stat edit that I start here with the number 3, and yet this chart starts at 1963. Remember here to the side where it says let X be 3 correspond to 1963, so I took all these numbers, 1960 minus all those numbers here is how I got the numbers here. So 1960 minus 1963 was 3, 1968 minus 1960 was the 8, so on and so forth. This time we don't really give any direction as far as what model to choose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the stat plot. So y equals stat plot's turned on. Hit the graph. Nothing really appears. So zoom. Actually, I'm going to go to the window. I knew my x minimum was 3. My x maximum went all the way up to 2745. So I'm going to type in 3000. I'm sorry, my maximum was 8. So that means it would go to, what is that? We'll call it 60. Now for my y, start at 0 and it goes all the way to a maximum of 2745, so let's call it 2750. For the y max, hit graph, and you get that picture right there. My guess, based upon that, is either going to be a power or an exponential. So let's check those two. Stat, calc, scroll down, exponential. And the exponential turns out to have an r squared of 0.99, or sorry, 0.98 for r squared on exponential. Let's go to power, stat, calc, scroll down to power, enter, enter. Wait for the calculator thing. It turns out r squared is 0.91. So my guess is I'm going to go with the exponential model of 0.98. So I'll go back and bring that up again. Exponential. Enter, enter, and so I get that, and so I know it's y equals a times, so 96.56 times 1.08 to the x power. The directions tell me to find out, to estimate the revenue in 2013. So, to estimate revenue for 2013, first thing I do is subtract 1960 and get 53. Put 53 in for X. And so 96.56, let's do that in the calculator. 96.56, parenthesis 1.08, parenthesis, caret, and then 53, enter, and I'm expecting it to be about 5705, and since this is in all revenues in billions of dollars, so that's about 5.7 trillion actually, so that's what the expected revenue to be for 2013 based upon this model.